owner says that he's about 5 to 6 years old and that he is a shepherd. And Max is joining us for our 1-week board and train program. They say that he does not have the best manners when it comes to meeting people, that he loves to jump all over everybody. He also does fairly well walking on a leash, but still not the best manners. You know, kind of pulls a little bit here and there. That he also loves to jump on their counters and just stealing stuff off the counter. That he does not know his basic obedience commands. He knows sit and he knows how to shake, but he doesn't know the word come, so he doesn't have a good recall. So he just kind of ignores them when they want him to come to him. So we're going to work on his obedience commands. We're going to work on his manners, helping him to be a better dog and to greet people in a nice way. So let's see what he knows today. All right, Max, come. Good. Sit. 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 Max, place. Place. Hi. Place. Good. Alright, good job, Max. Alright, so you see that Max kind of knows a few things here. So we're going to work on getting him more solid on his commands and helping him to understand that we want him to come when we ask him to come. So we're going to work on those manners, working on that jumping, where he gets excited and wants to just jump on people. So we're going to work on that. I can't wait to show you what all he's learned in his manners in just 1 week. Good boy.